In this session, the different tools used in bioinformatics, in the area of bioinformatics, will be discussed. There are actually a lot of tools involved for sequence analysis, for prediction of genes, for prediction of SNPs. So there are a lot of tools used in bioinformatics, and some of them are available online, some of them are free for use, some of them are of different types for downloading and implementing it as an app. So a lot of tools are available, and few of these tools will be discussed in this session. So major classification of these tools come under sequence analysis tools. These tools are used for comparing primary biological sequence of information. Say like an amino acid sequence of protein can be analyzed using tools, or some of the nucleotide sequences like DNA, RNA sequences can also be analyzed using these tools. So some sequences can be searched for, or the comparison can be made, or a lot of analysis techniques can be implemented using these tools on any of these type of sequences. Some examples of these analysis tools are, one is BLASTA, then another one is FASTA, and other than BLAST and FASTA, there are a lot of other tools also available for sequence analysis. So BLAST actually stands for Basic Local Alignment Search Tool, BLAST. So it is also called it is known as the Google Biological Research Tool, used in bioinformatics, or it is called the Google of Biological Research. And one of the most widely used bioinformatics programs for sequence searching is BLAST. So the input sequence can be either be given as in FASTA format, or it can be uploaded into this tool, and a database search can be initiated by providing some optional list of parameters, and it finds the regions of similarity between the given biological sequence with that of other available in the databases selected. It compares nucleotide or protein sequences to sequence databases, and it calculates the statistical significance of these sequences. So actually BLAST is a family of programs, or there are a lot of versions of BLAST is available, and one is BLAST N, which is used for nucleotide sequences alone, and there is another version called the BLAST P, that is protein BLAST. So in this particular program, if a given protein is given as a query string, it returns most similar protein sequence from the available protein database, from the leading protein database selected in the selected as parameters, or the user specified protein databases. From these databases, the similar protein sequences will be returned and be given to the user. And there are other BLAST format also, and they are available in online mode on web, and where you can type the sequence, or you can give it as a file, and the file can be uploaded into the site, and the searching can be done based on the content of this file. So BLAST is one of the leading sequence alignment search tool used in bioinformatics. And FASTA is similar to BLAST. FASTA is another program, or another tool used for DNA and protein sequence alignment, and it was first created in 1985, and it is commonly used sequence for similarity search technique, and it uses actually a heuristic or local alignment search technique to find the matches among the sequences, that is match among a query sequence and that of the similar sequences available in the selected databases. And local alignment technique has been used in FASTA method. So just like the sequence alignment tools, we have lot of uh, gene prediction tools also. If a sequence is given, a nucleotide sequence is given, from that the exons, introns can be predicted, or the presence of genes can be predicted, or like the percentage of GC values also can be. So lot of prediction techniques are available, and similarly lot of tools are available for these predictions. So one example is GenScan. So prediction tools actually it predicts the location of genes in the given genomic sequence. In GenScan, the identification of a complete gene structure is possible in a genomic DNA. It predicts the locations of introns and exons also, and the genomic sequences from a variety of organisms. Similarly, it predicts multiple genes in a sequence to deal with partial as well as complete genes, and to predict a consistent set of genes occurring on either or both DNA strands. Uh, a SNP actually, SNP SNP actually stands for single nucleotide polymorphism. Among different sequences, there can be variation of a single alphabet, single nucleotides. In, say for example, at a particular position, instead of adenine A, there can occur cytosine C, or an allele of genomic information can be occur, and so these two sequences differ between only one letter at a particular position. So maybe for all other individuals, there can be the letter and that particular position it is A, and for a particular individual, instead of A in the 21st location, say for example it is cytosine C. So this is called a SNP, single nucleotide polymorphism, and there are a lot of tools for predicting the or analyzing such variations among the sequences. So similarly, we can say that in bioinformatics, lot of tools are available, both online, offline, and some of the programs can be downloaded and installed in the devices, and it can be applied for a particular technique. So lot of tools are available, and few we have examined here.